Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be discussing with you how you can attract red-bellied woodpeckers to your backyard. All birds need food, water, and shelter to survive, and these woodpeckers are no exception. To get them to come to your feeders, offer nuts, suet, and sunflower seeds. These are their three favorites. Offer these foods year-round to better attract the red-bellied woodpecker. Red-bellied woodpeckers are large birds and prefer to eat on larger feeders that fit their feeding habits. Feeders such as large tube feeders and tray feeders work best for these birds. Red-bellied woodpeckers generally eat by clinging onto the bark of trees, so by offering their favorite foods and special woodpecker feeders to fit their feeding habits, that'll give you the best chance of attracting red-bellied woodpeckers to your feeder. To give red-bellied woodpeckers water, try putting out a bird bath. A good depth for bird baths for red-bellied woodpeckers are from about 3 to 4 inches deep. But, in my yard at least, my red-bellied woodpeckers don't come to the bird bath too often. Around your yard, try putting up some bird houses. Red-bellied woodpeckers will use birdhouses with a hole size of between 2 and 3 inches in diameter, which is pretty big for birdhouses. Red-bellied woodpeckers like their houses anywhere between 10 and 30 feet off the ground, but don't really care which direction the house faces. Try these tips and soon you'll be enjoying red-bellied woodpeckers in your backyard.